And our pinpoint weather team coverage continues as we're checking out some of the impacts of the strong winds that we experienced overnight. National Grid crews, they have been out for hours, like you're looking at here in North Kingstown. Crews out there trying to fix the thousands of power outages. So as of last check, National Grid was reporting about 35,000 customers in the dark in Rhode Island. There are about 3,700 more in Bristol County, Mass. Communities hit hardest right now looks to still be Pawtucket. They've got a little more than 4,500 customers in the dark. There are about 3,000 without power in neighboring Lincoln. And that's where we find Eyewitness News reporter Brandon Truitt. And Brandon, you said that you were noticing the temperature changes out there.
Yeah, it's undeniable the difference that we've been feeling in the past hour and a half, really, that we have been out here. The winds, though, really making the biggest impacts that you're going to be able to see this morning. Much of this area completely in the dark due to those tree limbs falling on some of the lines or trees themselves falling. I want to show you some video that we were able to get on the on-ramp of 146 South. This is right off of Twin River Road here in Lincoln. Now, you can see the tree is just blocking part of that on-ramp there, and even part of the exit ramp for the highway as well. RIDOC crews were eventually able to get out there. They, of course, are working in high gear this morning as they got a lot of work ahead of them, trying to get as much work done before the morning commute. You can see that they were showing up, splitting the log, even opening a portion of that ramp back up this morning before moving on to their next location. But as we were mentioning, the trees like that are taking down power lines in much of Lincoln. Traffic lights are out throughout much of the area, leaving many drivers confused this morning. We saw police officers there having to assist some people trying to find detours, trying to get home from where they were going. A lot of people leaving the casino here overnight. Much of the area is in the dark, including where we are at CCRI. We just spoke with someone here who says that they are now running off of generators here at the college. And again, if you need to report an outage, we want to show you this information that will be useful for you to either call to report an outage or get an update on the condition of the outage in terms of how long it might take crews to get it fixed. But again, back out live, it's the gusts that are really coming out of nowhere that are making the biggest impact to the roadways here. So if you're heading out this morning, it's very likely you're going to see trash cans on the roads, other debris like limbs, all things that we have been seeing this morning. So you're going to want to be mindful of that before you leave the house. We're live in Lincoln. Brandon Truitt, Eyewitness News.
A new video in from about a half hour ago from Coventry where a tree crashed into a home on Sherwood Valley Drive. If you see any storm damage in your neighborhood when you're getting up this morning and it's safe to take pictures or video, send them along to report it at WPRI.com.